So you place the 4 strips of bacon in the air fryer basket. You cut the bacon in half, so you'll probably have to do half at a time. So this is 4 halves of 4 slices of bacon. Cook the bacon at 350 degrees for 3 minutes. This is what the bacon looks like when you turn it over at the 3 minute mark. It's turned over. So this is what the bacon looks like when it's cooked for a combined amount of time of 6 minutes. Just like I do with my normal bacon, I put it on a paper towel to drain some of the grease, even though it's much, much less grease than when you cook it on the stove or in the oven. So I think that's the benefit. To me, it's more work, but it ends up with a healthier bacon. And let's see, it's nice and crisp. I had a piece, so it's a good option if you want to minimize some of the fat from the bacon when you cook it. See, yeah, it's definitely much less grease than when I cook it on the stove or in the oven.